beloved students of MN 6142 to this lecture number 20. This is almost 50% of our course along with mid-sem evaluation is supposed to be completed by this time. But don't worry, because of this COVID-19 pandemic period and unconventional way of online teaching through MS Teams, there may be some plus or minus number of classes. At your convenient time, definitely we can discuss a lot to improve our teaching learning process. And my beloved students will become one of the best in India, if not in the world, as strata control engineers, renowned strata control engineers in near future. Now with this, let me also inform you that today we'll be discussing in details also on the recent issues of strata control technology with the number one person taking care of safety in India. Let me know who is coming today and be with us. May I know if you are able to listen to me, because already I communicated to you in the previous classes. May I know through anybody?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Let me take your attendance, then we will start the class. I am downloading the attendance. Now it is done. Now, before starting, let me again inform you information. Who is coming today to our NIT? He is the first person in India to take care of safety. That also includes data control, and more than 50–60% of underground coal mining, especially the accidents, were because of strata control. So that's why I told you also that today our Director General of Mine Safety will be with us, and online we will be delivering a lecture, and I hope you got the information to our lecture also. Let me know whether you know about it or not, my beloved students. I think at around 10 a.m. today, 10 a.m. today is 1st February 2021, because we also give importance to the interaction and knowing the latest problems as far as our subject is concerned, that you will be knowing through our Mr. Prabhat Kumar, Director General of Mine Safety 1986 batch, and your super senior here, he will be with us. Okay. Now continue with the class. Let me know whether my voice is reaching to you or not, because then only
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Class, whether you are able to hear my voice. Are you
Yes,
able
sir,
to
you are
hear my
audible.
voice?
Yes, sir.
Let me know.
Yes,
Then
sir,
only,
audible, sir.
otherwise,
Yes, sir.
there may be some problems. Many times we faced in MS Team. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, somebody can unmute and tell
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes, sir,
Then
audible,
I will
sir.
start sharing the slide and then we will discuss further. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
you are audible, sir.
Rohit is our
Yes,
somebody
sir,
should
you are
respond
audible.
to me, then only I can understand whether my voice is reaching you or not. Is it reaching? Are you able to see?
Yes.
Are you able to see and hear? Are you able to do this? Now, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. Now, because there was some problem in our connectivity, that's why I was keeping these two, my beloved students. Right? You have to respond to me. Then if there is any problem in teaching learning process, we will take care of it. Now I am sharing the slides. Once again, welcome back to our lecture number. Now, are you able to see the slide? My screen? Then we will start.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So welcome my beloved students of Strata Control Technology MN6142 for this online teaching learning process on 1st February, a very auspicious day where we will be interacting with the number one person, none other than Director General of Mine Safety, who will be with us shortly today, spending time in giving lot of knowledge to all our students also online. And he is your super senior, Mr. Prabhat Kumar, 1986 batch. I hope everybody knows about it or not. Yes, no. Yes, no. You can unmute and tell me whether you know about it or not. Because I wish, and I told already, that you should come up with very good queries to know the latest issues as far as this subject, because we face a lot of problems and there are many unsafe situations. Okay, right. Now in lecture 20, now continuing with our, whether it is a rock mass classifications or whether it is a RMR or rock mass quality, all these are for designing stable excavations, whether it is in underground. Now we are discussing about coal mines, but it is also to tunnels, maybe hydroelectric projects, caverns, even dams or open cast mines or metal mines, coal mines, whatever it is. And for all these things, when you decided that rock mass which is forming that structure, whether it is a pillar, roof, sides, slope, dam, tunnel, hydroelectric cavern, excavations, whatever, then we are trying to give the supports to with some safety factor, because of the reason that there is some uncertainty in the data, what we are able to analyze with the rock mechanics information or geomechanics information or geotechnical information or whatever the properties, physical mechanical properties, what we get, there is an uncertainty. But there, with a lot of safety factor, when you decide that this is a support to be used, then there comes the issue of this setting and the quality of supports. That is very important. Otherwise, you might have designed the support systems, but if you are unable to provide as per that design proper supports, I mean the quality of supports and proper way of setting that supports, then that will be useless. So that is the issue, and that is the reason why I am giving some more importance. And now today also with Mr. Prabhat Kumar and any of his associates, when they discuss, now you can also give your opinions or queries to know something more. Already I told you TRUSS truss support is required beyond 600 or 1 kilometer depth, but which could not be tried in India till now, where high horizontal stresses or guttering or this type of cutter roof failures happens, and that will be a most common phenomena when you are going in depths and high horizontal stresses. Why it could not be implemented till now? You should ask that type of questions as a good, very good strata control student or technologist, whatever. Now, going further, now for that, whatever the case studies we are trying to understand, there it is mentioned pneumatic roof boulders to be used, and then for roof bolting 20 to 22 millimeter diameter and 1.8 meter length long roof bolts, they are supposed to be used, and they used it, of course. And then this is made in such a way that 27 millimeter diameter drill bit. Now here, my beloved students, starting with only I would like to ask you to make you more aware and to make you awake if you are still sleeping on your bed, that why it is written like this. It is written for installation of roof bolts, 1.7 meter hole shall be drilled with 27 millimeter dia drill bit. Why this is written like this? So now somebody should explain later as your CEP, but now continuing further. Resin capsules required for full column grouting. Already you understood what is the meaning and what is the requirement of this full column grouting, and it shall be inserted up to the top of the hole. You try to understand the issue why it is written like this and what could be the reason, because when there is something which goes either into a circular to some extent, and when it goes into the regulation or a Indian mining law or a statute, that means this must have gone through so many committees, so many experts, with the results of so many investigations, so many scientific studies, so many problems and solutions to that. So every word has some meaning when it is there in the regulations. I hope you must have understood when I used to reiterate all the time, and when you used to learn mining legislation as a part of your course. So you must have understood that. If you have any doubts, of course, I am there to help you, to make you more understanding. And of course, even your super seniors, whenever they face some problems in the mines, whether anywhere in India or outside the country, they used to interact with us and we used to give the latest information, whatever we have. So that is the teaching learning process is, and that should be a lifelong learning as a part of our National Education Policy 2020. Okay, right. So insert the bolt and churn the roof bolt. All these actions now, even a non-mining engineer also he observed, because already I have shown my beloved students of strata control technology, all these phenomena, how it happens, even through some type of videos or photographs, whatever, animations and all. So that these are the preliminary requirement for any strata control technologist, right? Right. Then 25 seconds for slow set resin for the churning time. And after that, what happens you have seen in the videos, and then wait for till resin sets and tighten the nut with full torque of the bolter for at least 2.5 ton setting load. This is the way how this setting, proper setting is ensured. Otherwise, that support whatever we provide will be useless. So that's why proper setting is given lot of importance, my beloved students. So in the beginning itself, as I told you, my beloved students, I am giving you this CEP query to you. Why this is written like this? What could be the reasons? And there, this is all why it is written. Okay, written in circular or permission, whatever you may consider. But ultimately, why this is there? Then what could be the reason? Now you can think of it, and I hope you might have understood it. But that we will, you will be giving that answer right after some time. And this is what is your CEP question. In the beginning itself, I have given you, my beloved students, because you should be ready to interact with our number one person, who is your super senior, Mr. Prabhat, Director General of Mine Safety, who will be with us today to interact with you, my beloved students. Right. So then in that case, then quality of the supports, as of course we have seen also little bit in the previous class, but why I'm giving more and more emphasis is, we have seen in the mines, because of these problems, because of the problem of not ensuring this implementation properly, we face a lot of disasters. We have faced a lot of accidents, and sometimes accidents may not be leading to a reportable injury or a fatality or whatever. But so many incidences happened because of this improper quality of the supports being used in majority of the mines. With my limited experience of three and a half decades, I am telling you, my beloved students, right? Now, these reports already we have seen at that time, so I am not giving so much time, but it is reiterating again and again. So you have to mention including the DGMS circular number 3. Now you can ask your first person of safety in India who will be with you now after a couple of hours. You can ask what is the latest circular now, when we know we read in our class of strata control technology the DGMS circular number 3 of 2010 on 3rd June 2010, maybe a birthday of one of my beloved students here, right? So then later, what are the regulations? What is related to quality of supports? Because we heard through our teacher that there were so many accidents, 60%, 50% in India, especially in coal mines, are because of this strata control. Then what new steps you have taken, and what more precautions you are going to suggest for the future, when we as the next generation engineers, we are supposed to go for underground coal mining, lot of strata control problems, and then lot of innovative methods we have to implement. Then for that designs, as a DGMS person, if I want to follow the DGMS circular or regulation, how I can design a new method? So I have to come in an innovative way, disruptive technologies. For example, we heard that truss support, TRUSS, is very much required, but it is not yet implemented till now in India. So is there any measures that you are taking up for 1 kilometer deep coal mining in future? These type of questions should come from our beloved students like you. You are all my Arjuns, right? Okay. Then resin capsules, how it should be implemented or how it should be stored. Already we have seen little bit, but again I am reiterating, right? So that is also very important, not procuring costly instrument, costly equipments, costly supports or high capacity supports, but it is also required even to store it properly, maintain it. This is the reason why I wanted to show to these things again and again. Now even the timber nowadays we have to reduce, and it is not reduction. Now you can also ask anybody then why we are not taking steps to stop it. Why timber should be used? Because we are supposed to be environmental cautious. We are supposed to have our mining sustainable. We are supposed to have eco-friendly mining, and with all this bio system to be maintained properly while removing any mineral from our Mother Earth to make it very happy. Our Mother Earth also happy. But even this word should not be there in the regulation in the future when you prepare, my beloved students, right? Okay. Then when timber is used not less than 15 centimeter, you must have understood at that time when I try to explain, and thickness of these plates, whatever we use as a ledges or wedges, whatever, over or below, when it is a prop, over that we are having a plate, right? And then a wedge to tighten again is, that's the meaning of this, whatever is there. Now, again for the wire ropes also, not less than this 19 millimeter and whatever stitching purpose is used. And these things just I wanted to tell you in the last class. Here roof bolts, these are some tested values long back, right? Long back means in our Jamana, right? In national education policy, we also encourage in the local language to even to discuss more and to make any subject more understandable for the people who are meant to learn and improve their skills, right? Okay. तो हमारा जमाना में जब हम लोग टेस्ट किया था, right? That's what is this in 1980s in CMRS. Okay, right? In our testing lab at that time, Okay. Now roof bolts are around 6 tons, and that is when grouted with quick setting cements, right? Now you can note down at these points itself, at this moment, my beloved students. There are places, for example, Chasnala mine, you note down please. Chasnala mine, and then even Amlabad College, Chasnala, very notorious for its disaster due to inundation. More than 370 persons drowned in that, right? At the same time, Amlawar College, why I'm telling these names is you should know about all these things. What happened, it should not happen in your next and next generations. With our more and more data, more and more scientific mining, more and more smart mining, all those things. Now, full column grouted boards with quick setting. When it is there, only 6 tons is supposed to be taken when there is no other data in designing any time. That is the meaning of this, right? And per 22 millimeter dia of the rod used as a bolt, roof bolt. And here, why I am telling that is, people used to have even no quick setting also long back, even a cement mixed with sand, okay? And that also we tested along with Dr. T.N. Singh Saab, right? We used to have continuous evaluation of all these situations in 1980s, okay? In Chasnala mine, Amlawar Colliery, along with our colleague scientists at that time. Why I'm telling the names already I told you, so that whenever you write somewhere, you will get either the books, either the references, either from the Google or from the proceedings, whether international, national conference, whatever it is, you'll be getting all that. When you write Rajendra Singh, when you write Angad Kushwaha, when you write PK Singh, when you write Raghavendra Singh, right? Like that, you will be getting, because along with the team under our Dr. T.N. Singh Saab, we used to work and tested all these type of things in Chasnala, Amlawad College, where we have seen even the bolts set with only cement mixed with sand and then inserted. We used to add something more into that, rapid set. You please note down the names, right? Rapid set or hardcrete with different proportions just to improve the performance, right? Like that. Many tests. Even we used to observe. Why I'm telling all this story for you is, my beloved students, all those what you are seeing now, it is not came overnight. So many decades of efforts by so many scientists, eminent scientists and investigators in India or outside the world. But now you should come forward, as I told you, TRUSS, trust support, why it could not be used till now. Okay, that is the reason why I am telling you now. So now this, even we used to get only 2 tons. Even 1 ton it used to come out within some time. Okay, these are the things which requires some more to be done. Okay, right. Then roof bolt, when it is full column grouted with resin capsules, then we used to get even up to 12 tons at that time. That's why it is made like this. Then roof stitching, if suppose no data is available, why I'm telling this is, if there is no data is available, if you are designing some support systems for any structures, it can be a tunnel, it can be a even a dam, sides, slopes, reinforcement, right? Caverns, right? Underground storage, for any purpose, okay? Metal mine, coal mine, whatever. So you can reasonably assume. That is the reason why I am telling you. Now, roof stitching around 8 tons, rope dowels around 4, wooden props around 10 tons, steel props 30 tons, steel chocks 30 tons, wooden chocks 20 tons, pit prop about 2.5 meter height. This is around 15 tons, and if it is up to 4.5 meter height, 12 tons. You may get a lot of questions or doubts. Feel free to ask me. Then here I have written rope or rope truss, right? Around 10 tons, and brick walling around 10 tons with 40 centimeter, I mean, 0.4 meters thick or 40 centimeter thick. Around 10 tons, that much is the load that it can be assumed, right? rigid arches when you are having an arch, right? So with side loads or vertical load around 7 tons per meter length, 2 ton. This is based on our investigations long back, and of course somewhere in circular somewhere definitely DGMS also must have given here. But now going further, my beloved students, here support plan for typical galleries, just to refresh you again, I am showing since we are discussing this. So now when you design, then it can be like the 3 roof bolts, then with cement grout or resin grout of 1.5 meters or 1.8 meters. It can be 4.2 meter, 4.8 meter width, whatever it is. With if you want to have 4 bolts to suit your requirements with a safety factor for that particular conditions, whether it is a slices, junctions, or whether it is a ordinary, I mean the original galleries or split galleries or go edges, all those things you will be designing. It will appear something like this. Then going further, now support plan for typical development galleries, it can be something like this also, right? Wooden laggings are there, already you understood nicely. Whenever you think that there is a gallery, and that gallery also can be supported, right? So this can be also supported by simple roof board. Otherwise, even a with wooden laggings, whatever I am showing you there, and just to show you once again, I came with here. It can be with roof stitching, right? So where this support, whatever stitching is there, this you should know. You may note down somewhere. So we will not suggest or recommend any support just as a permanent support with stitching. Okay. So, but I can recommend roof truss for permanent supports as for any workings. Okay, that is a difference. But that also looks like this, right? So that difference already I explained in the previous classes. That will be your CEP2, right? What is the beauty of that roof truss? What we mean, or what was done by, you note down the names, right? Long back we tried, even in the place where first time our institute stresses were measured in Thansi mine of WCL, along with an international project with Rock Mechanics Technology UK, where I was associated with them for many projects. They made me as an associate for them in international collaborative projects, where in 2000, that time, you may also note down some names where you can also write Big B, B-I-G, B-Y, Big B, Alton Yuan, right? These are the people with whom we used to work in 2002K, right? That time, where you will be getting a lot of information. Even the costliest supports we used with the resins first time in India at that time in WCL Thansi mine, although it was the costliest because that is a steel grade coal. When our Mr. Vij Saab was the CMD, he wanted that along with our Majumdar Saab, Deputy Director General at that time, right? So they wanted this with Mr. A.K. Singh and other people. Okay, right. So these are sometimes the requirement, but here now already we discussed last time, of course, this temporary and the permanent support. There is a difference where you are supposed to replace later, or you are supposed to add, reinforce further with the permanent supports like that. Then this again shows the same thing like that. And on the plan also you can see here the roadways, how it is supported with 0.6, 1.5 meter, another plan. It is shown here, maybe with where it is written some permanent, then where it is made more than the distance 1.5, then reduced to 1.2 meters. And at the junctions, it is almost additional supports are provided. And that additional supports already we discussed at that time that it will be 25% extra. Why it is 25, why not 22 or 28 has a no meaning, because it has some data behind us while suggesting or recommending based on this is what is the meaning of observational approaches in designing the support systems. or the excavations, whatever as far as mining is concerned. And here application of rock mass for depillering workings. Before going to this, just I would like to have a break. As I told you, I want my beloved students to come up with their CEP answers. Now you can unmute and talk to your friends here itself before I write your CEP2. That CEP2 is why this stress support, because this is what I want that many people should discuss, and in India actually we should come up with some more innovative support systems as a part of strata control technology, and that is where our Atmanirbhar Bharat Make India come forward startup, and then new designs we should give to the world. As we have given International Yoga Day, you should give the international support systems which were not used till now in other countries also. We should come up like that, my beloved students. Why this stress support? And then what UG underground problems beyond, because we are looking beyond 1000 meters, 1000 meter depth, because this we have taken as a mission in future, not only now from the days when Mr. Narasimha Rao Saab was the chairman. It was there from 2008 when Mr. Sibal, the then DG, Director General of Mine Safety, was with us here in NIT Rourkela, and the chairman Coal India was also here. We were discussing on only the strata control issues, and today again we will be discussing with our own another DGMS. That's why I am bringing this to you, my beloved students. Then whatever you could understand before, you can tell me, right? In 2008 they were here. Okay. So what UG problems beyond your 1000-meter depth, right? In coal mines, because in metal mines already we have gone that, right? Coal mines, because this is what we aimed for all the time, and but we could not do, right? And we are supposed to do now, and this is what is supposed to be done, right? Now I am taking a break, and now you can unmute yourself and answer CEP1 and CEP2 questions. Now let me take once again your attendance without wasting time further, because already we lost some time because of some connectivity problems, my beloved students. Now anybody want to answer CEP1 or 2? Otherwise we will go further. Is there any answer for CEP1 or 2? Let me download once again. Your attendance downloaded. Any answers or shall I continue? Any answers, students, for CEP1 or 2? Anybody? You can unmute and tell me. Otherwise, we will go further. I have taken already this one. Okay. We will continue further with your CEP questions remaining like that. It is mandatory nowadays. I have some questions gives sight latest and what is supposed and future by our future as mandatory task is
Hello, sir. Your voice is not audible.
from my side. Just because it's not on you, or you can make a call or
No, sir. Your voice is not audible, sir.
From my side, this is unmuted. What could be the problems? Might be clear. Are able to see. Call to me. Rohit, now can you speak into the speaker so that we will continue?
No, Rohit. Now Rohit, very good. Very good. Very good. I appreciate our Rohit Kumar. Effort is appreciated. Meanwhile, if anybody is ready, they can give their answers and be also ready to summarize later. Of course, after 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, I will tell now. Please bear with me because this type of problem of MS Team we have been noticing and informed our computer center, Dr. P.D. Sahu, Manas, and others are working on it. Now continuing further, application of rock mass rating for a deep learning working. Many efforts are made by all of our beloved scientists of Central Mining Research Station and Mining Research Institute and now this information is about that Ministry of Project result where different layers rock mass rating determined and estimation of rock density was also done, and they made some support design guidelines in different cases as I depicted here. Now you can see one no required support load density, whether it is for SDL district, best or conventional, whatever I am highlighting here, we can design other than the previous studies done for rock mass rating of CMRI ISM, which was limited to only development work. And now we are going further with deep learning workings also. Now, just for continuing further, let me show this is the equation to estimate applied support load density by different support systems by Dr. P.R. Chowde and Mukherjee, 1985, by CMRS, which is projected here. And this was also discussed in a short-term course on recent trends in ground control techniques and organization of strata control cell for mines in November 2021. And you can see those things. Then basically the important aspect here is with the case I am showing you here from that report of Ministry Code, Sham Sundarpur Colliery of Eastern Coalfields Limited. Now this we will discuss next class, as now time is 8:57. Now 1 minute for EEP question 1 and 2, and then summary. You decide yourself who is summarizing. Meanwhile, I appreciate the effort of our beloved Rohit. Prompt response. This is what is required as a strata control engineer, or as a strata control technologist, or as a strata control scientist, or a mining engineer as a whole. Then you will be useful, and I hope you will be interacting with much of enthusiasm with our Director General of Mine Safety shortly within 1 hour. Now I am going to our main screen. Now you can give your answers for SP1 and 2. Meanwhile, I suggest our Rohit to continue like this, unless they hear the voice directly here. I think there is some problem in the connectivity, and we know the solutions for any problem with a lot of safety factors, but with little inconvenience. That is a part of it. More inconvenience, more new methods, more work, and more pleasure. That is a style of life we should have. Okay. Now continue with Rohit. You keep it like this only. Meanwhile, now anybody can give CEP answers.
Yes, sir. CP1. CP1.
Yes. 0 for all except Nitesh. Nitesh is ready to say, or Mukul?
Google.
Yeah, continue, please.
CP1 was about the hole and roof bolt dimension differences. So the hole was 1.8 meter in length and 27 millimeter in diameter, but the bolt was 1.7 meter in length and 22 millimeter in diameter. So the allowance normally is given with respect to two factors. I think a 2 millimeter clearance might be given for damage considerations, and also for the insertion of those resin capsules that might be useful in those
Very
situations.
good. I appreciate Gokul. But one more point is they have written 1.7 meter length of the hole. Why?
For the fixing of roof bolting, there must be some part of the bolt that is projecting outwards, so that we can
Very
fix
good.
it.
Excellent. Right. So next number 32. Anybody? Now we should not take much time. We should enter into other class time. Now it is 9. Any summary? By whom? Summary by whom? Or zero for all? Shall we make zero for all?
Sir,
So that
I can summarize, sir.
Yes, continue. Tell your name and continue. Zero
Yeah.
for all except
Naresh, sir. Yeah,
except
today we,
Naresh. Okay, continue,
yes, sir.
Naresh.
Today we started our class number is lecture 20, sir. We started with the setting of quality of supports as per the by the setting we have the support system as per designing by the based on rock mechanics and geomechanics of the information we will design the supports and we give the support system to the roof, sir. Then we went to the setting of supports what the the bolting shall be done with the pneumatic roof bolts and their sizes 20 mm dia and lengths we discussed, sir. Then after quality of supports and roof bolts and resin capsules, what is their degree of maintenance in storage and the roof bolt sizes, and then after timber supports, what is the not less than as per the DGMS regulations their lengths and thickness not less than 15 centimeters diameter and not less than thickness the 8 centimeters and not less than the length is 0.5 and wide ropes how they will
Naresh,
maintain
excellent.
and
Now
load
let us
bearing
not go to
capacities.
the next class timing is over. Okay. And in addition to that, my emphasis is to actively participate with the discussion with our Director General of Mine Safety, our beloved Mr. Prabhat Kumar, your super senior, 1986 batch of our NIT Rourkela, even discussing about critical issues of strata control technology, including this truss support and at depth covers beyond 1000 meters in the next generation, how we want to go and what is supposed to be done. All the best. Jai Hind. Take care of COVID-19. All the best. जय हिंद के बाद क्या बोलना है जी?
जय NIT
जय
राउरकेला.
Jai Utkal Janani.
जय उत्कल जननी.
जय स्टाटा कंट्रोल.
Again, I am stopping recording now. Jai Strata Control Technology and Jai Mining Engineering Department. Jai DGMS also for today. Okay, our Prabhat will be here. All the best. Stopping recording.